Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can change your Google Assistant voice. So guys, first of all, open your Google application on your phone. Then after you have your Google application opened, you can tap on this profile button. Then there will be several options for you, and you're going to select the settings option. Okay, and on the settings option, you have to select the Google Assistant setting, this one. And after that, since we want to change the Google Assistant voice, we can click on the Assistant voice and sounds. Alright, and here you can select the Assistant voice. And there are some options for you. And I'm going to select the purple voice. Then just tap on the voice. Then after that, the voice will be changed. Alright guys, and that's how we can change our Google Assistant voice. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you on the next video.